Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we will talk about the different trading pairs from the Forex, commodity, crypto and indices market that I'm currently looking at in order to trade. I will talk about the different trading setups that we have, all the confluences that we have for these trading setups, and why I'm interested in trading these pairs. So friends, let's get without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to talk about the pair USDCHF. Now friends, as I mentioned in yesterday video as well, we are waiting for the price to enter this zone for a short position. So let's start again. We had a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, as we already broke below the support level. So we were waiting for the price to make a lower high in order to continue this trend. So what we are waiting for, we are waiting for the price to enter this yellow zone, give us any kind of a shorting opportunity to go short. That is still I'm waiting on the OZCHF. OZJPY guys, we are continuously making lower lows and lower highs. We had the high, low, lower low, lower high. And as I mentioned yesterday, that after making this lower low, now we are waiting for a lower high and wanted the price to retrace back to this zone, which is a high confluence zone. And why? Because we have this upward channel of this trend channel. Also we have this strong resistance zone, we have these moving averages, and we have Fibonacci retracement zone as well. So we expected the price to go lower from there also, although the price got rejected from this level, which is also a very strong level. You can see we have a retest here, here, here and here. So right now what I'm looking at, if the price still retraces back to this yellow highlighted zone and give us any kind of fish shorting opportunity, then I will try to get in. Next pair we are going to talk about is EURUSD. Friends, as I mentioned in earlier videos, we continuously making low, lower high, lower low, lower high and lower low. So now in order to continue the trend, we were waiting for a lower high, and this was the zone I highlighted that I will be interested in any kind of shorting opportunity. Price is quite close to this zone. If it retraces a little bit higher to this yellow zone and give us indication on the smaller time frame to go short, then I'll be in. GJ guys, GJ played out perfectly well. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, starting from here we have the high, low, lower low, lower high, lower low, and after this lower low we expected the price to make a lower high in this zone. And why in this zone? Because this has high, this is a high confluence zone. Why high confluence zone? We have the moving averages work acting as a resistance to the price. Also we have this recent broken zone which is acting as a resistance to the price, and although this is a strong resistance zone, as you can see, so it could have been a great setup to take on the lower time frame. And now what I'm expecting now, if the price is again retrace back to this zone and give me a double top pattern, then again I'll be looking for shorting opportunity. But if the price close above this previous high, then we will shift our buys to long side. USDJPY guys, USDJPY also played out perfectly as per our analysis. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we broke below the support, we made a lower low. So we were waiting for a lower high into either this zone or this zone. As you can see, both of the zones have multiple reaches, so both are the strong zones. And finally we got the rejection in the lower time frame from this zone, and the price retracing below now. So what I'm expecting at the moment, now I'm expecting the price to break below this support zone, made a new low, and then give us a break and retest in this zone to go short. So that I'll be looking in on USDJPY. Next pair is going to be USD ZAR. So let's talk about the USD ZAR guys. As I mentioned in yesterday videos as well, we were waiting for the price to retrace back to this green zone, and the price is currently in the green zone. So we can look for any kind of long opportunity if we see any trading setup on the lower time frame. So friends, while we were looking for a long here, we let's do the analysis. We have the high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then we broke above the previous high. We had a higher high, higher low, higher high. So now we were waiting for the price to enter this zone, retrace back to this zone, and give us a long position to continue this new uptrend. So that's for the USDZAR, guys. For the CADJPY, if we start from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, and once we made this lower low, we predicted the price to go higher and to retrace back to this zone. I personally was expecting the price to retrace back to this zone, which did not happen, and price got rejected from this zone. But this zone was also a very strong zone, and why I was looking for the price to retrace back to this zone, it was because it was a high confluence zone. As you can see, we had the moving average were going to act as a resistance, although it was a recent broken support zones, and also we had the Fibonacci zone 50 to 61.9% here. But anyways, price already got rejected and started moving downwards. So what I'm expecting now on this setup, if the price break below this support zone and give us a kind of break and retest here, then I'll be looking to get in. Now the last pair, guys, also played out perfectly well. If we do the analysis starting from the high, low, low, high, low, 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 high, low, low, and once we made the lower low, I predicted the price to go higher either to this zone or this zone and get a shorting opportunity. Personally, I was waiting for the price to get into this zone because this was a high confluence zone, as this already this one already acted as a resistance to the price, but price got rejected from here. Anyways, what I'm expecting now I'm expecting the price to break below this zone, close, and give us a retracement back to the zone and a shorting opportunity to go short. So that's it, guys. That's the analysis for today for all the trading pairs that I'm looking at. And thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really did, subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video. Thank you very much. See you in another video.